Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's December 10th. We've got a report, a USDA supply and demand report today out at 11 o'clock. The trade's not expecting to see too many changes, but the expectation right now is to see maybe a slight increase as far as ending stocks for corn. Last month, we were at just over 2 billion carryout. They're expecting a slight increase to 2.027 is the average trade guess. But they're also looking for a reduction for beans. 450 million on the last report, expecting to see that revised lower down to 427. So we'll see what kind of numbers we get here today. It does seem like the market right now trying to price in some friendly figures off of this report. We've seen a nice rally for both corn and beans coming into this report, and we'll have to see if we get those numbers to support that. As of right now, you got beans that are up 1.50 cents, corn that's up just 0.5 cent right now, and then wheat pulling back down about 4.25 cents. Wheat expectations to actually be increased as well. They were at 644 last month. Expected to see a slight increase up to 654. So we'll see what kind of numbers out at 11 o'clock. Something else kind of interesting overnight. CONAB out of South America, their revised crop estimates actually higher for their beans. So they're sitting right now at 96. And that's revised, as I mentioned, higher. USDA right now is at 94 million metric tons. So we'll see what kind of numbers USDA will put out today on a global scale. Will they increase South America as well? But it's maybe this rain that they're seeing right now certainly trying to help things out and looking for a bigger crop here. Now that's bigger than last year as well. So we'll see what kind of numbers we get today from USDA. There's still talks out there that there's 6 representatives from China coming to Chicago December 16th to sign a purchase agreement for some beans. That's an unspecified amount as of right now. So, but the trade may find that as supportive. Now, on breaks, as we get closer to this time frame, thinking that we're going to see a very large purchase from China. We'll have to see what happens, but as of right now, China's purchased about 63% of total U.S. bean exports for the year so far. So quite a bit, and we'll have to wait and see what kind of purchase order that we get December 16th, so next week. Looking into cattle, box beef kind of mixed, choice down 147, select up 74. We do typically get some seasonal support in here for cattle. Maybe see a rally back from this time frame all the way till December 23rd is where we see that bounce, or we could potentially see that seasonal run. Looking at the hogs, cutouts were up 64. Still trying to find a seasonal low for hogs as well. But I think if we get cattle to turn around, probably going to see hogs try to firm up a little as well. Looking at stock market, down 36 right now. Gold right about unchanged. So is silver. But the dollar drifting a little lower once again after seeing a lower day yesterday. But down about 14 points right now as well. So stay in tune with us. Give us a call if you have any questions going into this report. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.